When you create a console app named My Project, the following file structure will be generated. The bin folder contains the compiled files that are created when you build your project. This includes the executable or DLLs generated from your source code. The obj folder contains temporary build files created during the compilation process. These files assist in the build process and are cleared when the project is rebuilt, ensuring a clean compilation. The project file that defines settings like the target framework and dependencies. In a C# console application, the main method serves as the entry point where the program starts executing. If the program.cs file does not contain a main method, but contains top-level statements, the main method is automatically generated by the compiler. The compiler behind the scenes creates the main method. You can rename program.cs to any other name, but only one file in your project can contain top-level statements or a main method, otherwise, an error will occur. Only one compilation unit can have top-level statements. The solution file in a project is used to organize and manage one or more related projects within a solution.